Before you made the choice to design or redesign your living room, you must have seen something that sparked that desire for change. Whatever it was that jump-started your decision, you will want to expand on that thought in order to bring your design to fruition. I'm going to begin by pointing out some possible sources for finding that inspiration. Now, there's the obvious choice for home improvement and interior design magazines, along with some architectural magazines. Those are all great sources. And most of those publishers also have an online presence, so be sure to check those sites out as well. You will find a lot of information on these sites, including where to find products, some new and upcoming products, maybe some designers and some how-tos. And speaking of home improvement, don't forget your local home improvement stores. Those are great resources. In fact, Lowe's actually has a how-tos page here for the do-it-yourselfer. They also have a quarterly magazine that you can get as a digital magazine or a print edition that walks you through some weekend projects. So it's easy to update any room in your home. Now, I personally have found inspiration by taking home tours. These are programs set up that you get to go to a particular neighborhood, perhaps, and visit several homes in that area that have been selected based on their quality of design. And most of these are designed by professionals. So it's really awesome to see what other people are doing. And as I said, it is a great resource for inspiration. And then, of course, there is the social media sites like Pinterest, with a wide variety of inspirational choices here. And you're not relying just on yourself to find stuff, but other people to find stuff for you. It's awesome. Inspiration can come from most anywhere at any time. You don't have to be a creative person to find it. You simply have to be open to receiving it. As you've seen, there are some dedicated sources for inspiration for most any kind of design. Now, my suggestion to you is just get out there in the world and have a look around. I find that most of my inspiration comes when I'm just not expecting it.